Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw this really easy scary pumpkin face. And what we're going to do is start up there and we're going to bring it around like a teardrop. And we'll bring it around and we'll stop about there. Bring that up there. And we're going to do a zigzag at the top, across the top like that. And then here we're going to go around like that. And then here we're going to go around like that, and a bit of a zigzag there where it's kind of been snapped off the stalk. And then we can do 1, 2, 3 in there. And now here I'm going to draw a big kind of loop like that, and a loop like that, and then bring that up to there, and then that up to there, and then we can copy this, kind of echo that angle, what would you call it? And then here we start square on there and then come in at a curve, and then we'll have a kind of smile. Zig zag, zig zag, zig zag, zig zag, and then we draw a line in there, out and down, out and down and up there like that, and then that one goes up there. Now we're going to need a little bit of shadow, so I'm going to start around about there and make those a little bit sort of shorter as you go back, and then that can come just a little bit sort of longer and shorter around about there like that. All you need to do is to fill in these areas in black and then fill the rest of it in orange, and then a little bit of yellowy green on the top for the stalk. And there you go, how to draw a scary pumpkin. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button down in the bottom and keep coming back to Draw Stuff With Easy for lots more videos every week, 4 o'clock on Thursday. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.